Now let's open up another can of peas. And look at one that also gives the illusion of fitting under 3 shells at once. The sports car shell, the family economy car shell, and the high-performance car shell. So let's lift the shells ourselves and take a look. Is it under the sports car shell? Let's see how they handle. With base production equipment, Mustang leans when it should hold level. It nosedives when it should keep its head up. It's long on the turn when it should be short. It just doesn't have the chassis for this kind of fun and sport. This is Corvaire's long suit. Sports car handling with independent rear suspension. Short turning radius, easy steering, a firm flat ride, a fun car with modern advancements. Does a few extra hundred in the optional equipment kitty make Mustang a high-performance sports car? Corvette is the only true American sports car. That's built in, not tacked on. It's fact, not fancy. Here, Corvette is the only bet.